My loves, happy Easter seasons to you all. So leo nimewaletea hii hapa 442 liters side by side fridge ya Von, a very sleek design. The door is made of glass. Hii fridge inakuja na 5 years warranty on the compressor, ndo hii hapa, and then iko na attached control panel on the outside. Hapa unaweza regulate the modes for the fridge and the freezer, and also you can turn on your child lock by long pressing your finger for 3 seconds. And then it has 2-star energy rating. Kumaanisha nini? More star, more savings. Wacha tuone vile inakaa ndani. This fridge imedividiwa into 2 sections. Hii ndo the freezer and this is the fridge. It has a no frost cooling technology. Kumaanisha it eliminates the need for manual defrosting. Alafu iko na LED lighting on both sides. Hapa juu na hapa ya kukusaidia uone vizuri ndani ya fridge. Iko na fresh zone down there for your groceries ama vegetables on both sides. Hapa unaweza weka nyama, sausages and all, and then hapa unaweza weka vitu kama matunda, vitunguu, dania na hoho. Hii unaenda restock mara moja tu kwa mwezi, unafunga hiyo hesabu. Na hii fridge mind you unaipata only at 98,000 Kenyan shillings. Only at Atenza Home Appliances, where home is simplified. You can shop with us on our website. We go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke, or you can visit our physical store located the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, which is currently Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2.